up, bro? Get Daphne on the YouTube channel. Yo, we just had dinner. I'm here with my buddy Omar.
Yo.
He's doing his PhD in accessibility at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. But we just finished doing some coding, and Omar's working on this app to track macros. It's an iPhone app. Accessibility is one of the key focus, but I'll let Omar tell you about it and what he worked on today.
Yeah, so I mean, the whole idea of the app is to make it ideally a completely free and accessible macro tracking app, one that doesn't really require any paid subscriptions of any kind to use all of its features, if at all possible, trying to explore what that might look like. And yeah, because I don't want to pay for my barcode scanner, but no, yeah, as far as stuff I worked on the app goes, I was just exploring data models today and exploring different ways of representing the underlying data that users of my macro app would put. I found out that it can get complicated, especially with core data, its relation to Swift data, but yeah, overall, not as heavy in a programming day, but it's like very, very informative, like from a conceptual day. So yeah, good progress.
Oh my gosh, Daphne. Oh my gosh. Yo, good stuff, man. Can't wait to see it whenever it's out. Definitely put a link in the description. Meanwhile, I working on some front end. I saw there was the SpaceX brought back 4 astronauts from the space station a couple days ago. So I was like, man, that was pretty cool. You know, it's like history's being made. So I wanted to build a space project. So I had this that I started working on with another buddy named Joel. But I added a little dashboard to it. So the whole premise is suppose you're an astronaut living on the moon and you manage several rovers. So we call it Surface Collection and Observation Utility Tracker, otherwise known as Scout, which may or may not have been the thing I worked on at Amazon. But so here you can see, like, okay, we have some rovers, something's building structures, transport, water finding. I just randomly generated these titles. They got IDs, battery percentage, where they're at, status, you know, just some pretend data. But then, so today what I did, if you click, you get a little detailed model. So just that's a rover, just the same info, and then here you can see like what part of the moon. So that's Tycho. There's Piccolomini, so this is on the other side. Theophilus, so it looks like that's closer to Piccolomini than Tycho. Russell, yeah, I'm just sourcing these off of Wikipedia. But that was what I worked on today. Just, you know, just getting a little busy, having some fun with it. But yeah, more to come soon. Hit subscribe. Thanks, Omar.
Yeah.